Now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip comes with an included clear case, but one of the things I don't like about it is that it's a fingerprint magnet. So in this video, we're going to take a look at Samsung's leather cover for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Let's face it, there are not a lot of case covers on the market today for the Z Flip, so this is the first review.
I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really want to get to.
So let's face it, there are not a lot of cases or covers for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip on the market. So when I saw this one available on Samsung's website, I went ahead and bought it, and it was $79. You heard that right, $79.99, $80 for a leather cover. So we're going to check out this leather cover since it's the only one available on the market now for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I hope that there are going to be other manufacturers putting some out. I've already spoken to OtterBox, UAG, Spigen, Poetic, Caseology, all these brands that we regularly review on the channel to see when they'll have a cover. So if you're looking for an alternative, this seems to be the only one on the market now. And as we take a look at it, it's pretty simple and straightforward. We're going to go ahead and open this up right here. Let's see how this opens up. Pop it open. And it's a two-part case or cover. We'll remove it like this so we can see it. So it's going to give you, again, a matte finish, so it is matte, and you can see it has a Samsung logo here. Looks very similar to the one that we have right there, and you can see how it says right there, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. It looks like it has an adhesive here, something that you would remove. Let's see. Yeah, it has kind of like a tacky material, so you can see it. I'm going to go ahead and let it go back a little bit, and you can see how the plastic here sticks. So I think this is going to have a better adhesive than the one that we have here, because it tends to curl out sometimes. Here's the other side, and the other side also has that plastic that you'll be removing that's going to allow it to adhere to the phone. Now, for those of you who may have, let's say, the purple one or the gold one, you may want to show off the color. I understand that. But this, as you look at it right here, it just continues to pick up dust. And I'm just going to wipe this off real quick. And then you can see, that's what it typically would look like. So let's go ahead and put on one of the covers. We'll put both covers on and see what it looks like. Now, for those of you who have the included clear one on there, all I'm going to do is just pull back the sides, just like this, and then it comes off. Put it right here. This I'm going to wipe down a little bit. I'm just going to use my shirt to wipe that off. That looks like it's nice and clean. And then I'm going to take this bottom portion, remove the plastic piece off of it, and then we're going to take this and I'm going to snap it in place. I'm actually going to start with the bottom first. The one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to kind of slide it in, because what will happen is the adhesive that's on there, that rubbery tacky surface, gets stretched. So I'm going to start on the bottom, and then when I'm there, I'm going to push in just like this. All right? So again, that's what it looks like. If we look at the original, again, it's very similar. At least the cutouts are, so you can see how the cutouts are really similar. And if we look at the one that's coming up, the next piece that we're going to put on, again, it's like it's the same, and it has kind of the same cutouts. So this one, because I want to use it again, I'm going to pull it off the same way. I'm not going to kind of push it down. And I'm going to, again, look at this. This looks really good. I'm going to wipe it down just again, just to be on the safe side. All right, that looks nice. And I'm going to remove the plastic protective sheet here. And there's one more on the top, so we go ahead and remove that one. And it looks like, are there any more? No, so look at, you can see how there's adhesive there and there. And then what I'm going to do is the same thing. I'm going to basically take this side first, snap it into place, just like that, and then I'm going to push this one down. Okay? And now that that's put in place, that's what it looks like. The one thing I don't like about this, and we'll move all this stuff over to the side, and it's one of the reasons why I was looking for a case, is that it doesn't feel like it has a lot of grippiness to it. So it is a nice leather. It feels high quality, genuine leather, but it feels like it could still be something that slips out of your hand. We'll go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and look at it. It's unlock. Okay. And let's go ahead and flip that over so you can see what that looks like. I don't know. Is it worth 79 bucks? Well, it's the only one on the market right now, so if you're looking for an alternative, I guess it's going to. So that's what it looks like. We'll go ahead and close it again so you can see again how it looks here, how it looks here, how it looks here. So it has a pinhole mic there. It seems like it has good protection, so it's raising above this, so if you were to drop this, the sides, I don't know if this is better than this one. Let's do something here. We'll do a quick comparison. That's about the same. The one thing, and I don't know if you've had this problem, but as I've been using the Flip, I wish that there was like a piece coming in here so that it'd be easier to find the fingerprint sensor, because sometimes I go too high up. So hopefully some of the other manufacturers like OtterBox, UAG, Spigen, Caseology, you know, any of the other brands are going to create something that comes in right here so that when you put your finger there, it's kind of guided into place. That would be nice. So again, that's what it would look like. So that's the case, or cover as they call it. What do you think about this cover? The price for $79.99? Let me know in the comment area below.